this vacant site will be taken up this hydride and you get this one and the olefin, polymerized olefin. General preparation and reactions of titanium 2 complexes. So, this is very important. Titanium 2 chemistry, titanocyclopropane or titanocyclopropene, that we will see. Like isopropyl magnesium chloride, 2 equivalent of titanium is added to an ethereal solution of titanium isopropoxide and acetylene at -78°C, and the mixture is then started at -50°C. The reaction most likely proceed via ligand exchange reaction between a low valent titanium alkoxide and an acetylene. So, this is the preparation. So, isopropyl magnesium chloride, this mechanism we will see later also. So, isopropyl magnesium chloride and ether and titanium isopropoxide, then you get this titanocyclopropane. Titanocyclopropane. Because 2 equivalent of isopropyl, so this will form O isopropyl and isopropyl group here and here isopropyl group, and then one isopropyl group will eliminate and generate this one titanocyclopropane, which will be in equilibrium with this. And now, if you react with an alkyne, the ligand exchange will happen. Now, if you react with an alkyne, this propylene will eliminate and you get this titanocyclopropene, you can tell this titanocyclopropene. So, this is formed and this has been exploited in many reactions like this one. This is 1 to bis dianion equivalent. So, this because carbon titanium bond you can break it. If you put suitable electrophile like E1 you can put here and another electrophile Ai2, di, tri or tetra substituted alkenes you can prepare and this follows by this intermediate. Suppose if you react with an electrophile, then this kind of 5-membered intermediate is formed. So, we will see details. First we will discuss this one alkyne titanium O isopropyl to reactions. So, suppose this TMS and disubstituted alkyne, if you put with titanium diisopropoxide 1.2 equivalent, 2.5 equivalent of isopropyl magnesium chloride at -50°C, you get this titanocyclopropene. Now, if you react with secondary butanol, S-butanol, then 1 equivalent -50°C, you get this, and which in situ if you treat with iodine, then you get the this one is substituted with iodine, you get this one vinyl iodide, and you can react with an aldehyde also, then you get this allylic alcohol. So, this is the chemistry that alkyne can be reductively converted with titanium reagent to generate this, and then you can do a substitution reactions here or addition reactions with iodine as well as benzaldehyde to get these products. Also, you can do copper chemistry. So, then this is actually 1,2 addition reactions like, also you can do 1,4 addition. Like if you react with cyclohexenone, then this group is coming from here and this is the 1,4 addition, you get 53% yield. Also, if you react with this allyl bromide, then a substitution reaction. So, this is substitution reaction is happening here. So, this group is coming from the titanium part, and this is the product is forming actually. This was published in JACS 99. Cyclotrimerization reaction. that is called metallative Reppe reaction. So, that is also exploited with this, and here in this metallative Reppe reaction we will see 3 different alkynes are used. 3 different alkynes are used and you can get benzene derivatives. So, this is an important reaction. 3 different unsymmetrical acetylenes and 1 molecule of a certain metallic species, which is titanium in the present case, are combined together in highly controlled manner to give directly aromatic organometallic compounds as a single isomer. Like here, this is disubstituted alkyne, and if you treat with titanium isopropoxide 1.2 equivalent, isopropyl magnesium chloride 2.5 equivalent, you get this titanocyclopropene. This then reaction with this terminal alkyne here and ether minus 50 degree centigrade. Here what happens, this one, this carbon titanium bond breaks fast. So, the addition happens here, and this is quite reduced selectively as you can see. So, this adds here and like this. So, you get this 5-membered titanocyclopentadiene intermediate, and now again if you react with this sulfonyl alkyne, then this is the selectively this compound is formed. The detailed mechanism we will show in the next slide, but if you see the reduced selectivity here also, this bond is breaking and this is adding to here. And this intermediate, if you put with iodine, then you get this iodobenzene. So, this is iodobenzene is formed with substituents also. Alternatively, this one, if you react with benzaldehyde, what happens? This reacts with the carbonyl group and that oxygen cyclized with the ester. So, you get a lactone here, and this compound is formed in 49% yield. So, this is very useful reaction, and you can see the all alkyne component are present. This was blue, then red and the green, all alkyne component are. So, this is an useful reaction. So, what could be the mechanism? So, this could be the mechanism that this, the last step actually, the sulfonyl alkyne, that mechanism we will see. So, this one was formed titanocyclopentadiene 4, and if you react with sulfonyl acetylene, then you can think of a 4+2 reaction, this bicyclic intermediate might form, and then this one is formed, and this, if you see this one, this carbon titanium bonds breaks, and now the olefin will isomerize, and you get this one, and after that elimination of SO2 toluene group, you get this 6. Alternatively, so this titanocycle, the carbon titanium bond of the titanocycle 10 rearranges to a suitable position such as 11, where the 1,2 elimination of the sulfonyl group is feasible. Finally, the sulfonyl group was eliminated to see the equilibrium for the formation of aryl titanium compound 6. So, this is aryl titanium compound that we have seen earlier. This aryl titanium compound will form. Alternatively, the insertion reaction also is possible, like this one reacts with this and you get a, this is insertion, and then a rearrangement happens to get this aryl titanium benzene derivative. So, with this we can develop also facile preparation of various heteroaromatic compounds as a titanocyclopentadiene intermediate. So, this cyclopentadiene intermediate, if you generate as a titanocyclopentadiene intermediate, then it will be also useful, and that is possible only with reaction with nitriles. So, this alkyne is there, and then instead of other alkyne, here we have put the nitrile, and this is the intermediate. Earlier it was carbon here, so here it is as a titanocyclopentadiene. So, as a version this one, and this also has been useful. So, if you react with the sulfonyl acetylene, you get pyridine. So, remember this nitrogen is here. So, that is why the pyridine derivative is formed, and the mechanism will be similar, we will see in details also. And if you put another equivalent of nitrile, then you can get pyrrole. If you put an aldehyde, then you get furan. This is furan. And if you see this R4 is here, so it is substituted furan. Alternatively, if you put this intermediate just with H plus, then the hydrolysis of imine is happened, and you get this alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Alpha beta unsaturated ketone. So, alpha beta unsaturated ketone is formed. If you do not put another electrophile, then you get this ketone, and this work was published in JACS 2006. So, we will discuss